Alright, now we're ready to build our first Node application. So I'm going to create a new folder, call it first app. Let's go to this folder. Now I'm going to open this folder inside of Visual Studio Code, which is my preferred code editor. So code, period. So this is Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's a free, powerful editor, but you can use any editors that you prefer. You can use Sublime, you can use Atom, or any other editors. So here in this folder, I'm going to add a new file, app.js. In this file, we can write regular JavaScript, just like the JavaScript that we write for the browsers. So I'm going to define a function, say hello, that takes a parameter, name, and simply logs a message on the console. So hello plus name. And then we can call this function like this, mosh. Now to execute this code, we're going to go back to the terminal and run node and pass the name of the file as an argument. So app.js. So Node, as I told you before, is a C++ program. It includes Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So this app.js file that we're going to pass to Node, Node is going to give it to V8 for execution. So you can see we got hello mosh on the console. Now let me show you something. So back in VS Code, I'm going to temporarily comment out this line and do a console.log of window. Let's see what happens. So back in the terminal, let's run node app.js. We got an exception. Window is not defined. So as I told you before, in Node, we don't have the window or document objects. These are part of the runtime environment that we get with browsers. In Node, we have other objects to work with files, with the operating system, with the network, and so on. And that's what you're going to learn about in the next section. I hope you enjoyed this section, and thank you for watching.